Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So yesterday I let you know about a new tactic that Microsoft was using to get users onto Edge. And as I mentioned in the video, which will be linked if you'd like some more information, Microsoft had started showing another promotion that rewards users for switching to Edge. Check the video out for more info. Now, just to let you know about yet another tactic that Microsoft is using to get you to use its Edge browser. And as I posted earlier this week, Microsoft rolled out the latest Patch Tuesday security update for Windows 11, 25, and 24H2, KB5083769. I'll leave the video for that linked as well. And it seems now that, according to reports doing the rounds, that the April Patch Tuesday update for Windows 11 is automatically launching Microsoft Edge on some PCs after the first restart following the installation, where Microsoft's browser opens to show a page, as we can see in the image provided by the folks over at Windows Latest, opens to show a page with the text, "Your Windows update is complete. See 5 of the latest features." And apparently, according to reports, those features aren't that new. They refer to things like seconds in the clock, if you have it enabled, which definitely didn't roll out with the latest update. That's rolled out quite a while back. And here we can see a big blue next button that's underneath all of that. Now, once again, there is no close button in true Microsoft fashion. So if you're an average user, the only option is to click the big blue button. And also, if you choose to click anywhere on the screen, the white part of the screen, apparently you'll still be taken to the next page to show you the latest features in Windows. Now, something that's also quite strange is it says here in the bottom left, your Windows 11 PC has been updated, but it says your Windows update is complete. So it's to some extent to the other repeating itself. So it isn't worded that great. But nonetheless, that's another tactic now that Microsoft is using, launching Edge after the first restart after the update. Now, I haven't seen this myself, but apparently, according to reports, this is happening for some folks. So I just wanted to bring it to your attention in case you were unaware what this was or you had experienced the same thing. And obviously, you can just X out of Edge if you don't want to see this at all. You don't have to click on next. You can just close the browser down and that will get rid of it. So interesting stuff. Microsoft on a quest to get you to use Edge. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.